Hello and welcome to Old Ways Gardening and Prepping. My name is Teresa. I'd like to welcome you out to my backyard on this cooling down evening. Thankfully, the big ball of death in the sky has gone behind the trees and the heat is going down. So, as you can see here, it is time for me to pull these potatoes. They're trying to make a comeback, but they have all died back. These are the ones that I planted on what I call Irish Day, which is the 17th. And it should be time for these babies to come out. The greenery has died back. Now, I will say I don't know how this is going to do because they never grew really tall, but they were real nice and bushy, but not very tall. So I'm hoping at least to get some potatoes. Some potatoes are better than no potatoes. So we'll find out. And little bitty things. Whole bunch of roots. There's one potato. So far, so good. And you have to be really careful when you harvest them because these skins are not tough whatsoever. They need to cure. So when you harvest your potatoes, you have to be really gentle with them. Another little tater. I guess you could call these tater tots. That's okay. I know there's some potatoes down in there. I felt them. And that's okay if we don't get any. It frees up another pot for me to plant in. And I'm going to dump. Oh, there's another little tater tot. There's a tater tot. I'm going to dump the bucket anyway. Oh, I feel some. Ah, there we go. Basically a little new potato. That one's squishy. That's no good. There's another one. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. There's one. There's another one. And like I said, you got to be really careful with them. There's another one. Little tater tot. Or tater seed, whichever way you want to look at it. I know I saw one. Oh, there's one. You got to be real careful with them. Another little one. Oh, there's two more. I might have just needed to give them a little bit more time. Oh, that one's gone bad. And of course, this weather has been horrible on them. There's another pretty one. Oh, there's another one. I think they needed a little more time. But you never know what you're going to get. Uh-oh. There's another little tater tot. Up a worm. I'm happy to see that. Alright, I'm going to dig it up or dump it out. There's one of the seed potatoes there. Alright, I'm going to dump out the bucket and make sure I don't miss any further down in the bucket. I'm going to reposition the camera and bring you right back. Alright. And you always want something underneath to catch your soil so you can put it right back in. And a clothespin. Wonder how that got in there. Probably a squirrel. Pretty soil. Another clothespin. Uh-oh. No, it was a rock. Go on, mosquitoes. Oh, pretty rock. Another pretty rock. Uh-oh. Another little bitty little tater. Uh-oh. Worms. See what I said about getting down deep in the bucket? There's one more tater. Sorry, little worms. Whoa, feisty worm. Hold on, hold on. I'm not gonna hurt you, baby. Big, pretty, healthy worm. Going down. Good gracious. Oh, there's another little tater. Look at that pretty worm. Pretty, pretty worm. Well, that might be all the taters there are. But thankfully I got plenty of worms in here. Well, I cut another clothespin. I don't know how they're gonna hang clothes in dirt, but I got buzzed by a hummingbird. Yeah, that's right. They're mad at me. I gotta make more hummingbird food. Well, it's not the biggest potato harvest, but I knew this bucket was struggling. But you know what? Some taters are better than no taters. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and a big one. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. hand of tater tots. I might go on and plant these back and see if I can get a fall harvest of potatoes. See, it's all how you look at it. A lot of people consider this a bad harvest. You know what? I put, whoop, another little tater seed. I put 4 or 5 potatoes that were really, really sprouted. You know what? I still got potatoes. We're still going to eat them. I think I'm going to boil them till they're soft. Saute them in a little bit of butter, some fresh rosemary, some little bit of pepper. And you know what? We're still going to eat them. Simple, easy. Gardening is rewarding. You just have to look at it with a positive spin, no matter how it is. And I'm looking forward to the other buckets. The other buckets should do really good because they have been growing like weeds. This one didn't grow as good as the other ones, but you know what? They still grew, and I got some potatoes. I hope this still encourages you. Don't give up. Grow those taters. Keep on growing, because no matter what, I still got a harvest. Simple, easy, and all organic. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. May you each be blessed, stay safe, stay sound, keep that head on a swivel, and keep on stocking your pantry. Everyone, take care. I'll see you soon. Good night, everyone.